Wireless HDMI 2 transmitters and receivers enable cable-free HD video streaming, reducing clutter and providing flexible, reliable screen sharing. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI 2 transmitter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Braidol HDMI 2 transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers a genuinely seamless plug-and-play experience. Setup takes seconds, no apps, Wi-Fi networks, or complicated pairing, making it ideal for clean, cable-free workspaces. Zero-drop technology keeps latency virtually unnoticeable, which is impressive for presentations, streaming, and even light gaming. The 328 feet, 100 meters range offers real flexibility, while the dual-band 5G plus 2.4G chipset and a dynamic stability equalizer engine ensure a stable signal even in interference-heavy environments. Visual performance stands out with smooth 1080p at 60 Hz output and reliable 4K decoding, enhanced by the LDS antenna for fast, consistent transmission. Mirroring and extended display modes add versatility across laptops, cameras, projectors, and TVs. Its ultra-light, portable design makes it perfect for travel or meetings. Backed by a 24-month replacement service, this is a dependable, high-quality wireless HDMI solution with excellent value. Now our second product is Llano HDMI 2 transmitter. The latest Llano wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a versatile, user-friendly solution for seamless wireless display. Its dual connection modes, receiver mode for simple mirroring and transmitter/receiver mode for full device pairing, make it incredibly intuitive for any user. True plug-and-play functionality eliminates the need for messy cables, Wi-Fi, apps, or Bluetooth setups, while zero-latency technology ensures smooth streaming, whether for gaming, meetings, or family entertainment. Supporting dual-band 5G plus 2.4G transmission, it delivers stable 1080p/60 Hz Ultra HD output up to 165 feet, 50 meters, even through obstacles, maintaining reliable performance. The addition of Type-C charging solves a common limitation, allowing devices to remain powered during use. Its patented metallic plastic design is ultra-lightweight at just 48.9 g, portable and travel-ready, with an included strap for convenience. Mirroring and extended display options across laptops, cameras, TVs, or mobile devices offer exceptional versatility, making this a premium, high-performance wireless HDMI solution for both professional and personal use. Our third product is Evitech HDMI 2 transmitter. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers an effortless, clutter-free solution for wireless display. True plug-and-play functionality eliminates the need for apps, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, making setup incredibly simple and keeping workspaces tidy. With support for both extended and duplicate modes, it allows seamless projection from laptops, cameras, set-top boxes, or gaming consoles onto HD TVs, projectors, or monitors, enhancing presentations, teaching, or home entertainment. The impressive 328 feet, 100 meters range, powered by dual-band 2.4G per 5G transmission, ensures a stable connection even through walls or obstacles. Visual performance is exceptional, with 4K decoding and smooth 1080p/60 Hz full HD output delivering vibrant, clear, and stable imagery. The included micro HDMI and mini HDMI adapters expand compatibility across devices without extra purchases. Weighing just 0.1 pounds, its compact, portable design makes it ideal for travel, meetings, or family gatherings. Backed by a 24-month replacement service, this wireless HDMI solution combines convenience, versatility, and reliability for professional and personal use alike. Now number 4, Kaisible HDMI 2 transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a truly cable-free experience, combining simplicity, speed, and versatility. Setup is effortless. plug and play with no Wi-Fi, apps, or Bluetooth required, while ultra-low latency, 0.01s, ensures smooth, near-instant audio and video transmission, making it perfect for business meetings, classrooms, live events, home theater, or outdoor movie nights. Supporting 4K decoding and 1080p/60 Hz output, it delivers sharp, stable, and vibrant visuals, with both extended and duplicate display modes for maximum flexibility. The 165 feet, 50 meters indoor range, extending to 328 feet, 100 meters outdoors, is powered by a dual-frequency 2.4G per 5.8G chip for stable, interference-resistant signal even through walls. Broad compatibility covers laptops, cameras, projectors, HD TVs, DSLRs, Blu-ray players, and more. Compact and lightweight at 0.3 pounds. With included micro and mini HDMI 8K adapters, it's highly portable for travel or on-the-go setups. Backed by a 24-month replacement service, it provides reliable, high-quality wireless HDMI connectivity for both professional and personal use. And our last choice is Wusupu HDMI 2 transmitter. The Wusupu Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers a seamless, cable-free solution for streaming content to big screens. True plug-and-play functionality requires no apps, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, making setup effortless while keeping offices and living spaces neat. With support for 4K input and 1080p/60 Hz output, it offers crisp, smooth visuals perfect for home theaters, parties, lectures, or business presentations. Its 328 feet, 100 meters, open space range, paired with dual-band 2.4G per 5.8G technology, ensures stable, interference-resistant signal, even through walls, floors, or ceilings, with ultra-low 0.1s latency, providing virtually lag-free streaming. Mirror and extend modes add flexibility, letting users share or expand screens depending on their needs. Lightweight and compact at just 0.1 pounds, it's highly portable for travel, classrooms, or outdoor setups. Universally compatible with HDMI devices like laptops, PCs, cameras, cable boxes, and projectors, it combines convenience, versatility, and performance. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive support, this wireless HDMI kit is a reliable, professional-grade solution for both work and entertainment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.